In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A12, and let me show you how to activate demo mode in this phone. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select developer options, and scroll a bit lower. Here you've got demo mode, click to enter, and once you want to turn on demo mode, just tap on enable, and from now on it's active. If you would like to make it visible as well, just select this switcher, and that's it. It's also visible from now on. And that would be all. This is how we can turn on developer mode, demo mode, not developer mode, but you need to enter demo mode via developer options. And then once you want to deactivate demo mode, just unmark this first switcher. And this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.